Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Chef Sunny and I'm gonna show you a recipe for corn cheese balls. So now we are gonna start with a mix of some boiled potatoes, shredded Amul cheese with me. I have some shredded corn kernels, I have some breadcrumbs, corn flour and a slurry of corn flour and refined flour. So we start with mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes and corn should be in equal quantities. Potatoes will be used only for binding. We'll use half the quantity of shredded Amul cheese. Different types of cheeses in this. You can use a pizza cheese that is also there available with Amul. We'll add some salt. Fresh thyme. So you can also add any types of other herbs that are available, freshly available with you. These are basically midnight snacks. So you can serve it to any of your kids or younger brothers, sisters, elderly parents, anyone. All your midnight cravings hopefully will be satisfied with this recipe. Instead of corn, you can also use any other vegetables, whatever is available with you. So I'll just mix this well. I'll add a little bit of corn flour to this for binding and some breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs can be made with any type of dried bread that is also available with you, or you can store some freshly made breadcrumbs. So once we have this mixture ready, if you feel the mixture is a little wet, so you can add some more breadcrumbs to it. Try avoiding the corn flour or else the taste will go bad. So what I'll be doing is I'll make small balls out of this. And I will dip it in the corn flour slurry. So this is corn flour and refined flour in equal quantities, and I will just coat it with the breadcrumbs. Meanwhile, I have kept the oil for heating. So I'll just make a couple of these. You can also stuff these with some cheese. I'm not doing that because I have already added some cheese in the mixture and I prefer it that way. So around 5 corn cheese balls ready with us now. I'll just dip it in the slurry. You can crumb it. And there we are ready, and I think our oil is also hot enough for these cheese balls to get going. So the basic funda behind dipping these cheese balls in the slurry is so that whenever you fry them, the cheese should not come out, because the cheese melts and then it tends to ooze out of the hot oil, so it might spoil up your cheese balls as well as the oil. So there is our hot oil. I'll just check the oil. I think it's hot enough. We just give it a minute. Just bind the cheese balls properly. Make sure that it's coated well. And there we go. By the time our cheese balls are getting fried, I have kept a plate with some sauce. So that we can plate our dish. So you can use any type of sauce, whatever you like. I prefer a spicy one. We'll fry it till a little bit more golden brown. See, the cheese is not oozing out of the oil. That is because of the slurry of corn flour and refined flour. I think our cheese balls are already ready. Just lower down the flame. It's nice golden brown and crispy from outside. And then we can just plate it up. can put some garnish over it. And there it is. Our cheese balls are ready to serve. So we have one extra on the plate. So let's just try it out. So it's nice and hot, cheesy. Yeah, all the cheese is melted inside. It's got a nice texture. So that's what Amul does to your product. Gives you a nice texture, taste,